No. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching from. I hope all of you are doing great. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about numbers. Do you know how to count 1 to 10 in Igbo language? We are about to learn it in a very fun and easy way. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to my channel. My name is Adaukwu, and I teach Igbo in a very fun and easy way. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to count from 1 to 20 in Igbo language. Let's go. 1 otu, 2 abụọ, 3 atọ, 4 anọ, 5 ise, 6 isii, 7 asaa, 8 asatọ, 9 itogolu, 10 iri. Now you're going to be repeating after me. Let's go. 1 otu. Good one. 2 abụọ. 3 atọ. 4 anọ. 5 ise. 6 isii. 7 asaa. 8 asatọ. 9 itogolu. 10 iri. Beautiful. You guys are doing great. We are going to continue from 11 to 20 because what we are learning today is counting from 1 to 20. So let's move on. 11 iri na otu. 12 iri na abụọ. 13 iri na atọ. 14 iri na anọ. 15 iri na ise. 16 iri na isii. 17 iri na asaa. 18 iri na asatọ. 19 iri na itogolu. 20 iri abụọ. You can also say 20 ohu. Let's go again. 11 iri na otu. 12 iri na abụọ. 13 iri na atọ. Good. 14 iri na anọ. 15 iri na ise. 16 iri na isii. 17 iri na asaa. 18 iri na asatọ. 19 iri na itogolu. 20 iri abụọ. Beautiful. Excellent. Something beautiful. You are good students. After we counted 1 to 10, did you notice that when we were counting 11 to 20 that we were adding na in the numbers? Iri na otu. So when you finish counting iri, you will now be adding it na so that the pronunciation will make sense. Alright, so after counting iri, the next number you will now add na. For example, iri na otu, 11. Iri na abụọ, 12. Iri na atọ, 13. And so on. You get? So from the numbers we have counted so far, I would love to ask you just only 3 questions. The first one, what is 5 in Igbo? The second one is, what is 10 in Igbo? And the last but not the least, what is 20 in Igbo? Beautiful! You guys answered well. It shows that you were paying attention while the lesson was going on. So don't forget, 5 is ise, 10 is iri, 20 is iri abụọ. Alright? Only 20. If you check very well, there is no na in 20. it is just iri abụọ. Iri abụọ means 10, that is 2. Remember, 10 plus 10 is 20, so that's where iri abụọ came from. Don't forget. Now we are going to be practical. We are going to make some few sentences with numbers in Igbo. The first one is, enwere m akwụkwọ abụọ. Enwere m akwụkwọ abụọ. It means I have 2 books. I have 2 books. 2 abụọ. I have 2 books. Enwere m akwụkwọ abụọ. Another example is, ahụrụ m nnụnụ atọ n'elu osisi. I saw 3 birds on the tree. Ahụrụ m nnụnụ atọ n'elu osisi. I saw 3 birds on the tree. Those are the practical examples. So practice these numbers every day. Don't forget that practice makes perfect. All right, and this is going to bring us to the end of our class for today. Till next time, bye-bye, and please don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.